In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication in 1Password. This is an important step to enhance the security of your online accounts, as it provides an extra layer of protection beyond just your password. With two-factor authentication, even if someone manages to get hold of your password, they won't be able to access your accounts without the second factor. Let's start by logging into your 1Password account. Head over to the 1Password dashboard by opening your web browser and navigating to mypassword.com. This is where you can manage all aspects of your 1Password account, and today we're focusing on setting up that crucial second layer of security. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Give it a click. A menu will appear. From this menu, select Manage Account. This will take you to a new page where you can make various adjustments to your account settings. Here's where you need to find and click on More Actions. This option houses several advanced settings, including those related to security, which we're interested in today. Inside More Actions, look for Manage Two-Factor Authentication. Clicking on this will bring up options for setting up additional security for your 1Password account. You should now see an option labeled Set Up App. Click on it to initiate the process. The system will guide you through the next steps. First, click Next to proceed. Now, it's time to have your Authenticator app ready. If you haven't already installed one, applications like Google Authenticator or Authy are widely recommended and available in your device's app store. Once you have your Authenticator app ready, scan the QR code that 1Password provides. Your Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit code specifically for your 1Password account. On the 1Password setup page, you'll need to enter this 6-digit code. This step verifies the connection between your account and the Authenticator app. After you've entered the code, take a moment to consider adding another layer of security with a physical key. Click Add a security key to start this process. A security key, like a YubiKey, offers robust protection and is a great option if you have one available. If you proceed with this step, you'll be asked to enter a name for that security key, helping you identify it easily in the future. And there you have it. You've successfully added two-factor authentication to your 1Password account, significantly boosting its security. This simple yet effective setup will help keep your digital information safe from unauthorized access. If you encounter any issues during setup, refer back to this video and follow the steps again, or consult 1Password support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and remember to secure your accounts.